What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best mobile workstations which are most powerful laptop for businesses. The best mobile workstations combine the portability of a laptop with the raw power of a desktop PC. On top of being the best business laptops, they are also capable of handling intensive tasks such as video editing, rendering, VFX work and animation work. Please hit the like button, do share this video and subscribe my channel. Lenovo ThinkPad P40 Yoga, a champion convertible of a workstation. Lenovo hails this model as the world's first multi-mode workstation, one that manages to combine the power and creativity thanks to a 360-degree hinge that has to some extent set the standard when it comes to a convertible or a 2-in-1 designs. What's more, it is one of the very rare laptops to come with a built-in vacuum active ES pen technology capable of delivering 2048 levels of pen pressure, sensitivity and tilt recognition. Buy this super laptop for its unique convertible design and superbly portable. The disappointments are its battery life and it only comes with a 1-year warranty. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Acer Concept D7, a mobile workstation for creatives. For those who think that the MacBook Pros are overpriced but still need a powerful mobile workstation, there is the Acer Concept D7. This formidable laptop capable of handling complex and demanding tasks such as 3D rendering, thanks in part to its NVIDIA RTX graphics, was designed specifically with the creative professionals in mind. Beyond that sheer power it delivers, it also offers decent port selection, a minimalist solid white design and that stunning Pantone validated 4K IPS display. Obviously it is still pretty pricey, but if you're looking for a Windows powered MacBook alternative for video and photo editing, it is a great option. Buy this laptop for its power, cheaper than MacBook Pro and good selection of ports. The disappointments are, it is a bit expensive and it has got a plain design and not as thin and light as MacBook Pro. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. HP's ZBook 17 G3, still a storming workstation offering. HP's mobile workstation Ultrabook has already reached its 3rd generation, but the last one is still very much a best in class, especially when it comes to a sheer value for money. It is one of the cheapest workstation on the market to offer a professional dedicated graphics card and the most affordable business laptop to come with a whopping half-decade warranty. HP opted for a 14-inch diagonal, which may well hit a sweet spot for some. Buy this laptop for its great build quality and it has got plenty of configurability. The disappointments are, again, it is a bit expensive and battery life is not so impressive. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition, a seriously powerful pro laptop. While the regular Razer Blade laptop is famous gaming laptop, one of the best, in fact Razer has taken its sheer power and turned the whole thing into one of the best mobile workstation for creatives. There is a zero doubt that this laptop was designed with the photographers, video editors and even game designers in mind, as it rocks powerful graphics cards and a gorgeous factory calibrated 4K display. Not unlike its gaming counterpart, you will be paying a pretty penny, especially for its souped up configuration with a Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card. However, if a fast and seamless workflow is of utmost importance in your day-to-day work, this laptop is certainly pays for itself. Buy this laptop for its powerful configuration and its beautiful screen. The disappointment again is its price. MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 model, the best Apple mobile workstation. The MacBook Pro doesn't actually feel like a 16-inch system. This laptop will feel just as compact as the 15-inch MacBook Pros that preceded it and perhaps more than any other 16-inch laptop out there. Though it is a behemoth when it comes to the power, touting a 9th generation Intel Core processor and an AMD Radeon Pro 5300M or 5500M graphics card, as well as up to 64 GB of memory. There is nothing this mobile workstation can't do, and without a doubt, it will get through all your intensive workflow without breaking a sweat. If that isn't enough, it also has incredible speakers for all your entertainment needs and a much improved keyboard so you can type all day without fatigue. Buy this stunning laptop for its stunning 16-inch screen, new and improved keyboard. The disappointment is its price and limited to 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. So these are the powerful mobile workstation that you can buy in 2020. If you have any other mobile workstation in your mind, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.